We got some soft sand, so I'm airing down because I was like full out pressure. So I'm airing down. I'm going to back up that way and then come over this way. And it's a little bit harder sand over there, and then we'll kind of tuck in there. Hopefully. After a couple of amazing days at Las Fralas, it was time to point Maud north and begin the return home. While this made us a bit sad, I knew that we still had some adventures ahead of us. The rest of our camping would all be wild and almost all free. The first night we would find ourselves back on the Pacific side of Baja, just a bit northwest of La Paz.
When we wake, hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side our fears are done. Oh, the good times just begun. We know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright. We got it. We don't need no more.
So let's go walking. See. We got some soft sand, so I'm airing down because I was like full out pressure. So I'm airing down. I'm going to back up that way and then come over this way. And it's a little bit harder sand over there, and then we'll just kind of tuck in there. Hopefully.
Oh, we know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright.
So, I haven't done intros for the last couple of days, any kind of morning wake-up ritual things. We left Cabo like 2 days ago, 2 days ago, and then went, ended up being like 3 hours, probably 3.5 hours, but about 2.5 hours kind of northeast of Cabo. On the East Cape up to just slightly south of Cabo Pulmo, which is the only reef in the Gulf, and so we camped there. We got our camp spot, which was free. It's an arroyo, so it's government owned, so it's just beautiful. It's in this bay, and we decided to stay an extra day, so left there today and crossed over. Kind of what you have to do with the highways in Baja is you crisscross the peninsula. So now we are back. Now we're on the Pacific side, and we are. How can I show you this? We are completely by ourselves. So thumbs up to Overlander, and let me just show you Pacific, this beach that we're on. The sun's going down, but I mean, that's pretty darn epic, if I don't say so myself. And then back over here, we are setting up camp, and you can see that back there over my shoulder. We're setting up camp. We're kind of tucked out of the wind a little bit because it will be a windy night, but that's where we are. And then tomorrow we cross back over to the Baja side, and we're going to be in the Baja de Concepcion for a night, and then kind of crisscrossing our way north. But that's where we are. I love it. It looks awesome. Oh my gosh, dude, right now. Good morning. Woke up to a beautiful Pacific morning. We camped high enough, which was good for the tide, but the water, we did have a couple of shots coming through, like a couple of waves come through, and probably within like 100 feet of our campground, our camp spot. So I'm glad that we camped a little bit higher, but the water is beautiful. I'm smelling my coffee right now, so I gotta go check that. But today we're heading back to the Baja side, but I think we may not go as far just because we don't have to. We canceled our Airbnbs, and coffee's done, and we canceled our Airbnbs, so we have some flexibility, so we don't have to like drive until we get to the States. We don't have to drive super hard in Baja if we don't want to. I think today was supposed to be 5 hours, which just in mod isn't the most comfortable, or not even close to the most comfortable. So, but that is the plan. We're heading back. We're you're not in. Dare me to go in the water.
like, hey, there's a dead one, and we're like, mom's like, should I touch it? I'm like, no, I will. Touch it, it comes alive.
Gross.
It just.
There isn't a crab above me or anything, is there?
Do you think I would tell you?
No, I know you wouldn't.
It's like you like that bug come to me last night.
I saw you from across the room. When our eyes met, I never knew that I could feel this way, and it's kinda strange. Don't even know your name. I don't know you, but I want to get to know you. Just wanna get to know you. I don't know you, but I want to get to know you. Just wanna get to know you. You say that you're from out of town.
Let's see if she can get
I'm
dirt.
hoping that you stick
Speed up a little bit.
Show me what
Now,
it's like.
put the clutch in.
The other side. Would you stay another night? 'Cause I don't know you, but I want to get to know you. Just wanna get to know you.
Leaving our wild Pacific beach was hard to do. We loved all of it. No one around, the surf, the crabs, the sunset and sunrise. But we had to keep moving north. And with some of the long dirt roads, it was a perfect time to teach the kids how to drive a manual transmission on the right side. The entrance to this beach was also the perfect spot to leave a sticker, just like the many before us. Thanks for watching. Thanks for being a part of the growing tribe. If you haven't already, consider clicking the subscribe and like buttons. And we would love comments and feedback on what we're doing. Cheers, and we'll see you next week.
Know you. Just wanna get to know you. I don't know you, but I want to